interesting that I know that I used to tease Darshan a lot. So I used to always start laughing. The moment he would try doing anything romantic, I would just laugh. So I really had fun with him.
Well, MX Player का एक recently launched series आश्रम, जिसमें हमने देखा कैसे डॉक्टर नताशा ने अपने कैरेक्टर को एज किया। पर मैं बात कर रही हूँ अनुप्रिया गोयनका के बारे में, जो कि आज मेरे साथ जुड़ेंगी और हमसे शेयर करेंगी कुछ काफी फन मोमेंट्स, काफी सीक्रेट्स, उनकी शूटिंग शेड्यूल से, उनकी जर्नी के बारे में और बहुत कुछ। तो आइए चलिए हम करते हैं स्वागत हमारी अनुप्रिया गोयनका AKA डॉक्टर नताशा का।
How was the lockdown for you?
Very nice, yeah. I mean, obviously there is a lot of uncertainty around, and the vibe is, you know, full of pathos in some sense, because आपको पता है कि कितनी सारी misery हुई है आसपास. But उसी से ये भी लगता है that you are privileged in some sense to be able to be in the house safe and sound, and you know, be without work for a couple of months. So एक sense of privilege भी आता है, reality check होता है, and yeah, काफी सारा time मिला introspect करने का, so that was good.
But अनुप्रिया honestly ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि even though लॉकडाउन में हम लोग बंद थे, लेकिन आपने अपना एंटरटेनमेंट बंद नहीं किया। आपने अपनी वेब सीरीज के थ्रू हमको एंटरटेन किया है आश्रम के थ्रू। तो कैसा रहा रिस्पॉन्स उसका?
बहुत अच्छा रहा है, मतलब इट्स वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग। सबसे अच्छी बात ये लग रही है कि लोगों ने उसे सही तरीके से लिया है। They've understood the concept, they've appreciated it, the message that Prakash sir has sent out along with MX. And also the fact that you know, सारे characters और सबके ही काम को काफी appreciate किया जा रहा है. In my case, Darshan and my chemistry has been applauded quite a bit, the track, and that's quite nice. And मुझे ये भी messages मिले कि काम थोड़ा अलग है, जबकि it's again a very bold character. But कुछ लोगों ने, audiences ने वो nuances notice करे हैं और बोला है कि this is a different work that you've done. So I like that the audiences are noticing our minor aspects, you know, that we try to put into a character.
Any specific preparation that you did for this role of Dr. Natasha, or was it like just the basic script reading and, you know, enacting it on the screen? कुछ ऐसा खास था आपने जो किया?
So see, a lot of was given to us on basis of the script, and then I had a couple of discussions with Prakash sir. My very first meeting with him was extremely satisfying because उन्होंने आधे घंटे में we spoke about breath, we spoke about how to build a character, what all I need to go and do from home, and I built a character arc around it, and then I shared it with sir. So those things are very interesting. जैसे मैंने कहा कि character जो जबकि the stakes are high for her because she's in those situations most of the time, but she is a little sprightly. She has a detective sort of a mentality. She's also impulsive. So the body language had to be more sprightly than many of my other characters that I've played. And that Prakash sir's pointed out to me. So it was quite interesting for me to be in those situations which are as such pretty intense, or, you know, a lot is happening around, which are serious things are happening around, which are more terrifying, but yet again to try and keep the life different in the being of the character. Also जैसे फोरेंसिक एक्सपर्ट थी तो मैंने काफी सारे वीडियोस देखे थे देखने के लिए कि कैसे इक्विपमेंट्स के साथ वो लोग डील करते हैं, क्या क्या करते हैं, कैसे फोरेंसिक्स वाले काम करते हैं। तो वो मैंने थोड़ा सा कोशिश किया था रिसर्च करने का, हालांकि बहुत यूज नहीं हुआ, लेकिन I tried doing that.
Okay, so you know, I was just going through all the list of works that you have done, and honestly, it's like कि आपके hat में there are so many feathers, all different roles. तो अगर मैं आपको honestly पूछूं, I know it's difficult, but still, कोई दो ऐसे roles जो आपके खुद के पसंदीदा हैं, वो कौन से होंगे?
It's a very difficult question because you know हर role इसलिए special होता है, कोई एक चीज होती है जो उस role, उस experience को special बनाती है, more than the role. जैसा as an actor you feel on the set, now the memories you made, the kind of shift that you go through, I think that kind of remains with us. Like in Padmavat, my experience with Sanjay sir stood out for me. He is a very indulgent director, and I learned a lot from him. डांट भी मैंने बहुत खाई, but उनकी एक खासियत है कि वो appreciate भी उतना ही करते हैं जितना डांटते हैं. So there was a very different give and take with Sanjay sir, and I learned a lot with him through the course of the making, through the course of the making of the film. Also, Tiger was special because मैंने बहुत सारे friends बनाए Tiger के set पे. We were there for 2 months, and those friends are still very close to me, and they remain as special a part of my life. War was special because of Ritik and Tiger and Sid. It was a different role, but on sets we were always having fun. You know, most of the times what happens is that most of the roles that I've done are pretty intense, and काफी जगह वो सिचुएशन बहुत स्टाफ होती हैं, तो आई एम ऑलवेज इन दैट मूड कि मुझे अभी रोना पड़ेगा, अभी बहुत सीरियस टेक है, अभी एक हाई इंटेंसिटी टेक है. War was very chilled out like that in some sense, and the vibe on the set was very chilled out. So हर एक चीज, Criminal Justice especially because of Pankaj sir, I had a great interaction with him. Again, Ashram is special because of Prakash sir. Like, I have never had such a great time with the director because I've never opened up so much as an individual in front of a director as I have with Prakash sir. So it's extremely special because of him.
What has been like the bestest memory or maybe the toughest scene that you enacted on the sets? Like, you know, or I know it's out there, but still आपका एक particular scene होगा जो आपको लगा कि बहुत मुश्किल रहा, लेकिन फिर भी आपने ace कर दिया. वो कौन सा होगा?
यार ऐसे तो हर सीन मुश्किल था और ऐसे हर सीन आसान था. मतलब ऐसा मुझे कोई सीन नहीं याद आ रहा जो बहुत मुश्किल था. हाँ, कभी कभी एज एन एक्टर आप फंस जाते हो. वो मोमेंट्स होते हैं कि यू पर्सनली आर इन अ स्पेस जो आपको वो चीज क्रैक नहीं हो रही है. ऐसा एक दो बारी हुआ. एक सीन जो मुझे हरदम याद रहता है इज, आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन स्पिल द बीन्स, बट देयर इज अ लॉन्ग सीन बिटवीन मी एंड दर्शन व्हिच काइंड ऑफ स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अ सर्टेन पॉइंट एंड हैज अ लॉन्ग कंटिन्यूटी. तो हमने वो अलग अलग दिन पे शूट किया था शायद. और दूसरा उसमें एक्शन भी है, रोमांस भी है, सब कुछ है उस एक पर्टिकुलर सीन में. तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था. आई नो दैट आई यूज्ड टू टीज दर्शन अ लॉट. सो आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज स्टार्ट लाफिंग द मोमेंट ही वुड ट्राई डूइंग एनीथिंग रोमांटिक. आई वुड जस्ट लाफ. सो आई रियली हैड फन विद हिम. एंड प्रकाश सर और मैं, मतलब वो दोनों, मेरी दर्शन और प्रकाश सर मिलके मेरी टांग बहुत खींचते थे और मैं प्रकाश सर के साथ मिलकर दर्शन की टांग बहुत खींचती थी. तो प्रकाश सर was having fun all throughout. So
I need to know one thing here, Anupriya. You know, when you were briefed for your character, when you were briefed for the web series, I'm sure you had a impression in your head कि web series ऐसी निकल कर आएगी. And now when it got completed, it went on boards and everything. तो उन दोनों में क्या कोई difference था? Did you find any difference in the visualization and the final product?
No, not really in that way because I had a very sound belief कि अच्छी निकलेगी. It will be something that we would be proud of. It would be again one of those flagship projects for the channel. I had a very sound belief because first of all there was Prakash sir helming it, and he comes from a certain level of expertise which we've seen over and over again. So there is no reason why to be a little scared or afraid. Secondly, the concept and the subject was so interesting and potent. And thirdly, because जब फिल्म भी हो रहा था, जिस लेवल पे हम शूट हो रहा था, समझ में आ जाता है कि हर चीज बहुत सटीक और बहुत सही क्रिस्प है. I was quite surprised by the fact that I know the story, right? And I've read the whole script. लेकिन जब मैं संडे को ही देख रही थी and I couldn't stop watching because I was like intrigued कि क्या होने वाला है, अभी क्या होने वाला है. मतलब मुझे वो एस्पेक्ट बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा था जो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि I myself will binge watch it in that way to know कि आगे क्या होगा. Which was quite interesting.
How are you? Are you a big critic or are you a very big individuator of your own work, or what kind of an actor are you? Like,
I think I'm a little balanced. I call a spade a spade. अगर मुझे अपना काम कहीं पसंद नहीं आता है, जो होता है कई बार कि आपको बिट्स एंड पीसेस में अपना काम पसंद ना रहे, तो मैं उसको पॉइंट आउट कर देती हूँ. भले ही इंटरव्यू पे ना करूँ, लेकिन फ्रेंड्स एंड डायरेक्टर के सामने तो बोल देती हूँ. और दूसरा अगर मेरे जिन प्रोजेक्ट्स के साथ में अटैच्ड हूँ उसमें कुछ चीज़ें अच्छी हैं और कुछ खामियां हैं, तो आई एम एबल टू से दैट अलाउड टू. लाइक, आई डोंट होल्ड बैक. आई रिकग्नाइज इट. I don't get biased because it's my own work or my own project, though it's easy to be that. Also, at the same point in time, I'm not someone who over criticizes anyone's work or even my work, because all of us are learning, all of us are growing. अगर perfect हो जाएंगे तो बात ही क्या रहेगी? The thing is that you should see a difference, you should see a growth. So I think I'm somewhere balanced in that approach. I don't judge other people also as much. I really appreciate intent. I'm somebody who appreciates intent and hard work. और वो दिखता है.
Well guys, that was Anupriya Goenka for you, and this is me Kushaka Pandit signing off for now. Thank you so much for watching this fun chat session with her, and I hope आपको पसंद आया हो जो भी अनुप्रिया ने शेयर किया है. And if you have not watched Ashram, please go watch it on MX Play.
All about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.